Today on Mike Attempts, installing an over-the-range microwave. Not only does our 16-year-old microwave look bad, with all of the cracks that have been glued over the years, but the fan bearings also sound like they're about to fail. So we bought a replacement. The new microwave is already set up to recirculate the air. If you want to vent through the wall or ceiling, changes must be made. First, we need to remove the blower. Remove the screws and push the damper plate up. Remove the screws securing the blower. Unplug it by pressing here and pulling up. And lift it out. For wall venting, remove the rear covers and reinstall the blower in the same orientation. Mine will be venting through the ceiling, so I need to remove the top covers by snipping them out using wire cutters. I repositioned the blower so the exhaust was pointing upwards and reinstalled in reverse order. Install the damper assembly on the back for wall venting or the top for ceiling venting. To remove the old microwave, we have to start up top. 2 large bolts secure it to the cabinet above. I stacked empty boxes to help support the microwave, removed the bolts, and unplugged it. It's still held up in the back by the mounting plate. I removed one box so I could hinge the front down and lift the back off the support tabs. It's not heavy, just big and awkward. I rested the microwave on the other box while I pulled the power cord down through the hole. A mounting template is included, but I prefer just to use the provided measurements. Here's the new mounting plate. I probably could have used the old one, but I didn't want to risk it. I marked the center line and the bottom edge. Then I used a magnetic stud finder to locate the drywall screws and marked the stud locations. I used a nail to hang the mounting plate level, cut some scrap wood to support it better, and drove lag screws into the studs. There wasn't a stud on the right, so I used a provided toggle bolt. Once behind the drywall, the toggle nut springs open and is pulled against the back of the drywall as the bolt is tightened. Using the boxes worked out really well. They provided enough support without damaging the bottom of the microwave while also giving me some wiggle room. After fishing the power cord up through the hole, I needed to seat the mounting plate support tabs into the rear slots. I held the front of the microwave up with one hand while tightening the bolts above with the other. Remove the plastic, packing spacers, and tape. Pop in the support ring and the turntable. Slide in the grease filter, and you're done. Feel free to rate this video, add your comments and questions below, and subscribe for more.